Hello friends, welcome to the Learn to Earn channel. In this channel we are going to provide the basic to advanced knowledge of the programming language. HTML tutorial for beginner lecture. What is HTML? It is a standard markup language for web pages. It is the backbone of any website. You can create your own website with HTML as well. It is very easy to learn. It is basically used to make the pattern of the content which we want to show on website. There are series of elements in HTML. Let's have an example of HTML. Doc type HTML, within HTML head tag and body tag, within head title and within body heading tag. Let's have an explanation of previous example. Doc type defines that document is HTML5 document, and HTML it is the root element of HTML. Head, this tag contains meta information. Title, this tag is showing the title of the HTML browser. Body, it is used to create the body part of a website which is visible on the page. H1, this is the large heading tag, and we will learn step by step from starting. Stay tuned with us. Let's have a hands-on session. Doc type HTML. HTML tag. Let's close HTML tag. Within HTML tag we are going to write all the code like head. Let's close head tag and open the body part and close the body tag. Within the head tag we are going to write a title for our website. Title, like close the title tag. Within title tag we are going to welcome to learn to earn. Okay, and within body tag open H1 tag for heading, large heading. Please subscribe the Learn to Earn channel. Let's close H1 tag. Let's save this file. Let's save this file with the name of example.html. Example.html. You can use HTML as well. HTML and HTML works identical. Okay, let's open this file from the browser Chrome. Okay, please subscribe the channel, Learn to Earn channel, and this is the title, welcome to Learn to Earn. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us. Please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon to never miss a video from Learn to Earn channel. Thank you.